Today, we'll take you inside a modern mango juice factory. Let's go to the full process. Largest mango factory in the world. Before the world wakes up, nature prepares its treasure, the ripe, golden mango. Our journey starts in the mango orchards, where perfectly ripe mangoes are carefully hand-picked.
We should start on the eastern side first.
Agreed. Bring the long pickers over here.
Look how golden they are this year.
Yes, the best harvest we've seen in a while.
Only the best mangoes are selected, the rem, the ones with perfect color, aroma, and sweetness. From the orchards, the mangoes are transported to the modern processing facility.
Here begins the transformation, as the mangoes enter the fully automated processing line. The first step is thorough washing to remove dust and impurities.
A deep clean system ensures the surface is 100% hygienic before peeling. Advanced machines peel each mango with perfect accuracy and minimal wastage. The mangoes are sliced and the seeds are removed en sambio, leaving only pure, fresh pulp. All the collected pulp is stored in sterile tanks to maintain freshness. The perfect juice consistency is created by mixing natural mango pulp with pure filtered water.
To preserve flavor and safety, the pulp is gently pasteurized.
Quality experts test every batch to ensure the taste and purity are perfect. The juice flows into sterilized bottles using high-speed filling systems.
Each bottle is capped and sealed to lock in freshness.
Brand labels and batch codes are added with perfect precision.
Wow.
Robotic systems pack the bottles into cartons for shipment.
Okay, easy now. Push it all the way to the back. Make sure the count matches the manifest.
And finally, the juice is sent across the country for customers to enjoy.